If you've ever tried carrying multiple grocery bags, laundry, or heavy items in one trip, this is for you. I've been using this reusable grocery bag on wheels, and it honestly makes everyday errands so much easier. The first thing that stands out is the size. It holds up to 66 pounds, which is easily 2 to 3 full grocery bags or a full week of laundry. The material is reinforced polypropylene, so it feels sturdy, not flimsy. It's also water resistant, which means spills or rain aren't a big deal. It wipes clean easily. What really makes a difference are the 5 smooth spin wheels. Because they're 360 degrees swivel wheels, the bag rolls smoothly and feels more stable than the usual 4-wheel carts. I've used it on store floors, sidewalks, and also on uneven ground without tipping over. Organization is another win. It has a secured zippered top, so everything stays private. Plus, multiple outer pockets for quick grab items like keys, phone, or reusable bags. No digging around at checkout. When you're done, the whole thing folds down flat in seconds, which makes it easy to store in a car, trunk, or closet. It doesn't take unnecessary space. It also has multiple handles, so you can pull it, carry it, or lift it depending on what you're doing. That versatility makes it useful beyond groceries. I can see this working great for laundry day, beach trips, picnics, travel, or even camping. Overall, this rolling bag solves a real everyday problem. It saves your hands, your back, and especially if you're petite like me, and your time. I've linked it in the description box below if you want to get it. And please don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical finds. It'll keep me motivated to make more videos like these. Thanks for watching!